The Ninja Swirl by CREAMi NC701 is the latest innovation from Ninja's popular frozen treat appliance lineup, and it aims to deliver a delightful dessert experience for users of all ages. With a 13-in-1 functionality, including settings for soft serve, sorbet, milkshakes, frozen yogurt, and more, it's an ambitious all-in-one frozen treat maker that puts customization and creativity at the forefront. Designed with a new soft serve handle, low-calorie programming, and two 16-ounce CREAMi Swirl pints, this unit sets itself apart from earlier models and competitors alike. Let's dig into what works, what doesn't, and whether it earns its spot on your kitchen counter. Design and build quality. At first glance, the Ninja Swirl looks sleek and fun. With its modern matte finish, minimal footprint, and a touch of colorful design flair, it's a product clearly built to appeal to both kids and adults. The buttons are tactile and clearly labeled, and the soft serve handle gives it a nostalgic ice cream parlor feel while providing added functionality. The machine feels solid, with a sturdy base and well-engineered pint assembly. Everything that touches food is BPA-free and dishwasher-safe, which makes cleanup much easier, a welcome improvement from older CREAMi models that were slightly more time-consuming to maintain. Features and functionality. The standout feature of the Ninja Swirl NC701 is its 13-in-1 versatility, making it far more than a simple ice cream maker. Here's what it can do. Ice cream, regular, light, dairy-free. Soft serve. Sorbet. Milkshakes. Gelato. Frozen yogurt. Creamicino. Slushy. Mix-in mode. Low-calorie and keto-friendly programs. Respin for smoother textures. Custom creations with add-ins. For kids, adults, and dietary needs alike. Whether you want a traditional full-fat vanilla scoop, a sugar-free berry frozen yogurt, or a protein-packed smoothie bowl, the Swirl gives you a wide range of programmable options to accommodate. The mix-in mode is especially impressive. It lets you add candy, nuts, or cookie pieces without pulverizing them, preserving texture and visual appeal. This feature adds a fun, customizable element that kids will love. Ease of use. Using the Ninja Swirl is surprisingly intuitive. Simply prepare your base, recipes are included, freeze it in the pint container, and then blend it using the machine's preset programs. The soft serve function uses a handle that manually dispenses your treat in a swirl motion, which adds an interactive, fun twist that feels like operating your own mini ice cream machine at home. The unit walks you through every step with easy-to-read controls, and the interface is very beginner-friendly. The respin option allows you to blend again if the texture isn't smooth enough after the first run, which helps prevent user frustration, especially when dealing with chunkier or denser mixtures. One small limitation. You must pre-freeze the mixture for 24 hours in the pint before processing, which requires planning ahead. However, this is common in home ice cream makers and not unique to the Ninja Swirl. Performance. Performance-wise, the Ninja Swirl NC701 delivers consistently creamy and smooth textures, particularly with standard ice cream, soft serve, and milkshake modes. Sorbets and frozen yogurts also come out well-textured and flavorful, assuming the base mixture is blended properly beforehand. For those looking to cut calories, the low-calorie mode works surprisingly well. Using frozen fruits, protein powder, or light dairy bases, you can create guilt-free alternatives that still taste indulgent. Some stiffer mixtures may need a second respin to achieve that perfect texture, but the machine's motor is strong and doesn't struggle unless extremely frozen solid chunks are added without liquid. Kid-friendly and family-oriented. What truly makes the Ninja Swirl special is its family-first design. The soft serve dispenser adds an interactive element that kids love, and the ability to customize their own flavors or toppings gives them ownership of the process. For parents, it's a fun and healthier alternative to store-bought treats, especially when using fresh ingredients and low-sugar bases. The inclusion of two 16-ounce CREAMi Swirl pints also allows families to prep two different flavors in advance, ideal for those who want variety or have dietary differences. Cleaning and maintenance. Cleanup is a breeze. The CREAMi Swirl pints, paddle, and inner lid components are all dishwasher safe, and the base unit just needs a simple wipe down after use. Compared to bulkier countertop appliances, the Ninja Swirl is relatively compact and easy to store. Price and value. Priced in the mid to high range for consumer ice cream makers, the Ninja Swirl NC701 justifies its cost through feature richness, build quality, and the sheer range of desserts it can produce. For families, health-conscious users, or those simply looking for a fun new kitchen gadget, the value is hard to beat, especially when compared to frequent trips to the ice cream shop. Pros and cons. White heavy checkmark pros. 13. In 1 functionality. Makes soft serve, ice cream, sorbet, milkshakes, and more. Soft serve handle. Fun and practical for swirling treats. Kid-friendly design. Great for family use with interactive features. Low-calorie options. Supports healthy recipes and dietary needs. Easy to clean. Dishwasher-safe parts and minimal maintenance. Mix-in mode. Preserves texture of add-ins like chocolate chips and candy. Crossmark cons. Requires pre-freezing. You must plan 24 hours ahead for best results. Respin may be needed. Some textures require a second blend. Slightly bulky. Smaller than previous CREAMi models, but still needs counter space. Only 2 pints included. Extra pints must be purchased for batch variety. Final verdict. The Ninja Swirl by CREAMi NC701 is an incredibly versatile and well-designed frozen dessert maker that brings creativity and fun back into the kitchen. With 13 modes, intuitive operation, and the ability to make healthier, customized treats, it's a fantastic appliance for families, kids, and health-conscious users alike. If you're looking to replace sugary store-bought pints or want a creative outlet for frozen treats at home, the Ninja Swirl earns a strong recommendation. Just be sure to plan ahead, because once those pints are frozen, the swirl fun begins.